All right, folks, here I am making yet another mod to the Lectric XP bike. Today I'm going to put on a Seatpost-mounted carrier, and I'm going to change the existing bag that I have that I actually use as a tackle bag. I wanted a quick detachable bag, so that's why I'm using the Ibera Carrier, and my new bag is the Ibera bag right here, and it actually pops on and off. That way I can remove my bag when I'm folding the bike up for transport. This little section right here is going to mount around the seat post, and then you just tighten the bolt. So it should be an easy install, but you know, those are famous last words coming from me. You just wrap it around your seat post, use an Allen wrench, tighten it up. That couldn't be more simple. This is actually going to work really good for me. So what I've done is I've attached this second rack holder, bike bag rack, to the seat post right there, and now I've got two options. I can store some stuff under there if I need to, and my bag clips onto this, and I can put it on and take it off very easily. Based on what I'm seeing right now, I think this is going to work perfectly. So we've got our original rack right here, we've got our rod holders, now we've got the Ibera pack rack system. This will clip on and take off super easy, which I can reduce the weight when I go to fold the bike and transport it. Just as of right now, extremely happy with the way this thing is looking. I'll have extra storage there if I need it. So if you push this little clip right here, the bag easily removes.